everyone, it's Trina here today to share how I work with base pages and travel with scrapbooking. And our Life Crafted album, new in the shop this year, is perfect for taking on vacation with you. It's very small, very compact, fits inside a purse. You can have a little jump bag to create with. I threw together some base pages for my vacation album so I can scrapbook when everyone's asleep in the room, add photos, add ephemera into pockets. This is just a very quick flip through, and I will show you more of how I've completed this album after we come back from vacation and it's all completed. So anyways, this is some of the base pages in the album, and I want to show you how I travel with scrapbooking. I have a 6x12 Becky, or this is an American Higgins page protector, and in it I have actually cut down paper to fit into the sleeve so that it fits neatly in my suitcase. I'm including some tiny alphabet stickers from the April Life Crafted kit. These other elements are all things that come in the April add-on kit. You can see some of the pieces I've already cut up and used for the fussy cutting in the album. It comes with these beautiful Maggie Holmes Sunny Days cardstock stickers, this gorgeous alphabet, chipboard alphabet from Heidi Swap in a nice bright vivid pink. And then more of the papers. Again, I've cut all of this down so I can easily fit it in the sleeve. I've also thrown this alphabet from Pink Fresh, their new Joyful Day line. I think that'll be perfect for adding in little snippets and words within my album. I'm going to set that aside. And next, I pretty much fit all the ephemera and bits and pieces that I think I'll use on the trip into a little zippered pouch. This does fit fabulously in a bag, in a suitcase, in a purse. And this is filled with the ephemera pieces from Maggie Holmes Sunny Days line, which is just too adorable. If you haven't seen this, you're going to want to pick up this kit. It's so fabulous. All the little paper trimmings that are left over from me cutting things down, I've included in here because they are great for layers, especially when you're working in smaller formats like our Life Crafted album. I did some advanced fussy cutting so I can easily add flowers or letters to my vacation album. Makes it very simple. I'm usually scrapbooking while everyone's sleeping in the morning with a cup of coffee by my side, and this time I'll be out on a balcony overlooking the ocean, and it's going to be a lot of fun to take these things with me. So in addition to that, I love to include a paper ephemera in my pages. If anyone knows my scrapbooking, you know that's what I do. So I've packed together just some little coupons and book pages. I found an old map book of the world, and speaking of which, we're putting together a really fabulous vintage flea market kit for the month of May, which is National Scrapbooking Day month. And anyways, I pulled the Hawaiian Islands maps out of that book. I put in a couple music pages. I know there are a lot of chickens and roosters on the island of Kauai and a lot of rainbows that come with all the rains. Just some old ephemera pockets, and then I actually pre-trimmed all of these down from the pattern paper that comes in the August scrapbooking kit add-on so that they fit directly into, as full pages, into my vacation album. And all the leftover pieces I trimmed down to the 6x12 or smaller to fit in that other container. So a lot fits in this. As you can see, that's a pile full. We do have a whole box. I'm taking a few on vacation with me, but a whole box of these fabulous photo corners come in the April add-on kit. It's just bright and vivid and perfect for vacations. Okay, next step. People wonder, well, I often get asked, what kind of tools do you bring on your trip? I got this, I think this was an old Fancy Pants bag that I thought was perfect for my travels, and this is about the extent of the scrapbooking supplies that I bring with me. Handy dandy glue, scissors. These are actually small enough to carry on the plane, but I'm going to be checking this in my big suitcase. We carry both these items in the shop. My miniature date stamper, ink, and a stamp base for my acrylic stamps. Oh, we're just adding these to the shop for April 1st. Wonderful, flat little foam dots from EK Success that you are going to love working with. These will be available in the store beginning the night of March 31st. And then various small washi tape rolls that fit easily into the kit that work great for building layers and just keeping pages really simple, and even using masking tape to attach a photo to your pages. In addition, I'm taking one of our conversation starter stamps with us. If you haven't seen this stamp, it is perfect for just getting the story going on your pages. I'll slide that out of the way so you can see it better. And this is a sneak peek. I have to warn you, this is a sneak peek for May Stamps Life Crafted Kit and our Traveler's Notebook, just because it works perfectly for our vacation, and I won't show you very much of it, but they're all about getting out, going on excursions, staying local, going elsewhere. So those are the stamps that also fit into my little pouch. Then in addition, this is from, I believe this was from our February Life Crafted Kit. Cut just a few little puffy heart stickers out that I'll bring with me. There is some beautiful string twine, baker's twine, that comes in the April add-on kit, and then I just included a few little clips so I can clip on ephemera, clippings, coupons, tickets, and a few little strips of fabric that I can add behind my layers. So that, in a nutshell, is what I bring on vacation with me to do some vacation scrapping while the fam is sleeping in. Thanks for visiting and watching this video, and be sure to watch out for the new albums coming soon to our shop. Bye for now.